Hi guys, in this video, let's see about a sculpture of Mahalakshmi from the Mahabalipuram cave temples. This video will shed light upon the unique styles followed by the Pallavas, so watch it fully. Lakshmi in this form is known as Gajalakshmi. Pallavas usually had the practice of showing lively scenes in sculptures that seems to be happening just then. So here, the scene depicted is Lakshmi seated on a lotus flower in the ocean of milk. She has just now appeared from the churning of the ocean. You can see the garland over the crown that I even mentioned in the last video. It's a unique style of the Pallavas. She is wearing a Sannaveeram. It's really rare to see Lakshmi wearing a Sannaveeram. It's a chain that goes around the arms like a coat. It's worn only by the warriors or warrior gods and goddesses. Next, you can see 4 lady attendants. 2 are carrying pots with water and others with objects that are unidentifiable. Some say these ladies are the 4 major rivers of India, but there are no proofs for it. At the back, you can see 2 elephants performing Abhisheka or the holy bath to the goddess. See how natural the body parts of the elephants are. See the natural phenomenon of the elephant opening its mouth when lifting its trunk, and the tender folds in his ears are shown. See this other elephant. Can you note something interesting here? Can you see the elephant getting the pot from the hands of that lady? If you are a person who have been with elephants, you will say that the anatomy and the movements of the elephant shown here is 100% perfect. Okay, now can you see those 2 lotus leaves down there and the V-shaped gap between it? There is a very interesting thing behind it. Before I say that, just spare your 10 seconds and please click on the subscribe button down there. Yeah, thank you. If you draw 2 imaginary triangles in opposite directions intersecting each other, you can see that the whole sculpture is developed using those. Early Pallavas used this scheme to design their sculptures. Their work area or the canvas of the sculpture will be mostly square or rectangle. So, 2 equal triangles from top and bottom intersecting each other will be drawn. The main character or deity will be placed inside the space formed by the intersection of 2 triangles, and the other things will be developed in the area outside of it. Can you see the Lakshmi sculpture perfectly aligned with the vertices of the triangles? Follow the line. See the alignment of her hand, then the legs of the attendees matching the slope of the triangle. Yeah, it's same on both sides. Coming to the upper triangle, see the V that I showed you between the lotus leaves. Now again, follow the line in the right. See the tilt in her legs, then the slope in the torso of the lady, then her crown, then the tusk of the elephant, then the starting of the elephant's ear. Now in the left, same as the tilt in Lakshmi's legs, the position of the pot, crown of the lady, the starting point of the elephant's ears. Interesting, right? The whole sculpture is developed from these 2 triangles only. If you want to see it closely, either pause the video or visit our Instagram page to view it. Spend some time in enjoying the essence of it. There are more videos coming up. Till then, this is Sarvesh signing off from you. Goodbye.